So here's some practice on graphing systems of equations. You'll notice that the front side of this practice is all in slope-intercept form. So let's give that a shot. So I'll graph this first equation right here in red. So the y-intercept is -3, and the slope is -1/4. Now I'm going to put the negative sign up top, so my rise is down 1, right 4 from the y-intercept. Now I could reverse that and go up 1, left 4, up 1, left 4 to get another point. So here is the line, or all of the solutions to that first equation. The second equation has a y-intercept of 1, and from that y-intercept of 1, the slope is 3/4. So I'll be going up 3, right 4. Up 3, right 4, down 3, left 4. So here my y-intercept is 4, and my slope is 3/1. Y-intercept of 4, up 3, right 1, or down 3, left 1, down 3, left 1, down 3, left 1. Here's the graph of that first equation. My second line has a y-intercept of, let's use a different color, y-intercept of -4, and a slope of -1, or -1/1. So that means rise of -1, down 1, run is a +1, so right 1. So down 1, right 1, or up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1. Bam! There's my intersection. There's my solution to the system of equations. The line's not very good, but I can see that the intersection is definitely at -2, -2. Oopsie daisy. And on this first equation, I forgot to write the solution to the systems. It's at -4, -2. You got number 3 and 4 to do there. I'm going to go to the back. These are in standard form. Here you really could just get the x and y intercepts. So to get the x-intercept of that first equation, I'm going to substitute in 0 for y, which really gets rid of that variable and the coefficient. So my x-intercept is whatever makes this resulting equation true, which is -2. So the x-intercept is -2. So now let's get the y-intercept, which means I'm going to substitute 0 in for x, which gets rid of the x and the coefficient. So y has to be 4 here. You could divide by -1. Y has to be, or the y-intercept is a +4. So that's my first line. Second line, wowzer. So I'm writing on a tablet here. It's hard to be extremely accurate. On my second line, x minus 2y equals 4. I'll first go after the x-intercept by choice. I'm going to plug 0 in for y, which essentially makes the coefficient and that variable 0. So the x-intercept is 4. Now let's get the y-intercept by plugging in 0 for x. So what does y have to be to make this resulting equation true? That's your y-intercept. Well, y has to be -2, because -2 times -2 is 4. So as I draw this line more accurately, I'm going down 2, left 4. So down 2, left 4, and bam, there is my intersection to those two lines. That is the solution to the system of equations, and that's at -4, comma, -4. So on these other ones, you could get the x and y intercepts. However, notice that this one might cause you some frustration because here your x-intercept is not going to be an integer. So you may want to solve for y on this equation to graph it. That'll put it in slope-intercept form, and your y-intercept will be an integer, and you can just move the resulting slope.